Hello, dear parents. Welcome back to Top Right Early Education Research Center. Babies between 9 to 10 months are getting more and more lovely. Sometimes they stick out their tongues and pout, making a cute face every now and then. Their hands also begin to be restless, picking here and tapping there from time to time. However, they become more and more clingy to their parents, being a little bit shy. So, why do babies have these changes? Let's take a look at the professional age classification system of the early education box. It turns out that at 9 to 10 months of age, our babies begin to explore and learn about the world. They explore the space via opening, closing, and other actions. The finger movements such as picking, turning, poking can satisfy the baby's desire to explore using his hands. If you see them sticking out the tongue or pout the lips, they are exercising how to control the oral muscles and make preparation for speech learning. Let's take a look at the professional age classification system of the early education box. We can figure out that 9 to 10-month-old babies have rapid development of fine motor, crawling, learning to stand, and other abilities. Their understanding about cause relationship and the concept of object eternity is also enhanced, and the oral muscles are also developing. Therefore, at this stage, we suggest that all parents shall use appropriate methods and teaching aids to reasonably guide the development of their various abilities. This could play a vital role in future development of hand coordination, language ability, and other aspects. Dear parents, come and exercise with your baby. Babies between 9 to 10 months need encouragement from their parents so as to touch, grasp, and explore picture books under the guidance. We can point at a pattern so as to let the baby focus quickly. Imitate the expressions in the book and pronounce their names. Interactions with your baby can stimulate baby's interest and strengthen the parent-child relationship. Emotional cognition is the basis of the baby's social-emotional development. At ordinary times, we should guide the baby to have the self-understanding and understand others, which is conducive to the development of the baby's social, emotional, and social adjustment abilities. First of all, parents can shake beads to make sounds to attract the baby's attention. Then show the baby how to move the beads and make them complete the roller coaster. And encourage your baby to move the beads with fingers or turn beads into bells and explore music with your baby. The bead game can make the baby's fingers more flexible and powerful, helping him/her make more subtle, complex movements in life, such as turning book, pinching food, or using tablewares, and so on. Mother can demonstrate how to open the cup with 2 hands to your baby. Your baby may not be able to open it at once. In this case, you can encourage him/her to use the wrist force and try several times more. Afterwards, we fill the cup with water, and it will become a sprinkler. Playing water with your baby is really fun and interesting. Under the premise of safety, we can guide the baby to explore more items, such as boxes, drawers, to exercise the baby's wrist strength and hand coordination. For babies at this stage, it's easier to pick up something than to put it down. Mother can guide the baby to grasp the ball and then encourage him to paste it. At the beginning, do not require your baby to place the balls in order of color, just focusing on exercising the baby's gripping ability. Good grasping ability is very conducive to the baby's future learning to hold the spoon to eat and hold the pen to write, etc. We can first let the baby explore the balance balls freely, so as to arouse baby's interest. Then demonstrate how to roll the balance plate with 2 hands and let the ball roll. Guide your baby to observe the movement trajectory of the ball. Finally, we can assist the baby to shake the balance board with both hands, so as to exercise his hands' coordination and sense of balance. Visual tracking refers to the ability to follow and track objects visually, which is closely related to concentration. At ordinary times, mothers can guide your babies to observe moving objects, improve their visual tracking ability, and promote their intellectual development during the process of exploration. The baby is very interested in these small, colorful rings. We can first let him explore freely. The mother should not disturb arbitrarily. The baby is very interested in these small, colorful rings, and do not try to control the baby's way of exploring. After the baby has done the exploration, the mother can demonstrate how to take the rings out of the column. It is easier for the baby at this stage to take it out than put it in. Then demonstrate how to put the ring in and encourage the baby to try. Mother can sit beside the baby and assist him by holding his small hands to jointly put the ring in. As your baby puts the rings in and takes them out, his hand-eye coordination and sense of space get good practice, which will help him master skills later on, such as eating food with a spoon. The hand strength development is still not enough for babies aged 9 to 10 months. If the baby feels it's difficult, we can provide appropriate help. For example, we can first tear the orange peel connected together with a small opening, so as to make it convenient for the baby to operate, and then let the baby peel it open. In daily life, we can pick other items with the baby, like peeling bananas or oranges, so as to help the baby learn how to coordinate both hands and exercise his hand cooperation ability. The exploration toward blocks can begin with knocking. Then we can build the blocks with the baby. Stacking is a new mode of play for babies at this stage. We need to repeatedly demonstrate how to stack blocks, guide the baby to observe, and then assist him to stack. Building blocks is not only interesting but also a good tool for exercising your baby's easy grip, knocking, stacking, pushing, and other skills, which is also very helpful for exercising the hand coordination ability. What abilities are developed during the important stage of 9 to 10 months? Fine movements. What exercises can help babies master the skills of turning books and pinching food? Finger dexterity training. What exercises can help babies improve their concentration? Visual tracking training, hand-eye coordination training, etc. At the age of 9 to 10 months, which toys can simultaneously train babies' hand-eye coordination, sense of space, and cognition ability? Cognitive building blocks, ring toss, etc. What should a mother do when the baby feels difficult to play with a new toy? Provide guidance patiently and some appropriate help. Baby can't grow up without the effective company of mom and dad. Every month is critical to the development of your baby. So, dear parents, what abilities should be developed with emphasis for a 1-year-old baby? The answer will be revealed in the next lesson of our early education box.